am Apurva from Rishi MS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. It's from Hyderabad. I am teaching a subject called Industrial Engineering and Management. So I wanna explain a topic called Industrial Engineering and Management Functions from the Unit 1. It's Unit 1 is Management and Organization. The first topic is let us know about Industrial Engineering and Management. Like what is Industrial Engineering? Like it is a branch of engineering which deals with the sort of design, creating the some sort of public factors and the factories, locations, outcomes, whatever all will be there in the industrial kind of things. We will be getting to know in this industrial engineering. And management is called like dealing with the getting the things done by a group of people. Like if we consider a company or somewhat the industry or somewhat the manufacturing unit, with one person it will not be completing the whole task. So we need a group of people to complete one task in one particular organization. So we need a group of people to get the things done in an effective manner, so that the things will be done in a perfect, effectively, and the outcome will be in a good format. Then functions of management are like there are many scientists given in a many different formats. So firstly, George and Jerry, the first scientist, has given the functions of management as planning, organizing, accurating, controlling. Like for mainly to do some or the other thing, we need to plan what to do, and we need to take the actions of what we need to do. So we need to do a step-by-step procedures for what we are doing. So basically here in the functions of management, which is given by George and Jerry, they have done the planning first, then the organizing the things whatever they are taken in the step-by-step order. Then the activating is like taking all the things done, and the controlling is checking the work done in what way and in which way. So these four functions has not accepted by many other scientists. Again, Henry Foyle has given four functions of management as plan and focus, organize, command, and control. Plan and focus is like you need to plan whatever the things you are doing. Then you need to focus on it. Then the organize is organizing the things in a step-by-step procedures. Then you command to give the command for the workers or some of the other people to work in a particular task, and then control to control the people to do the work in a particular task. Then these functions also not accepted by the many other scientists. Then again, Luther Glick has given a keyword as POSDCORD, which means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting. So in this way, he has given this keyword as like for planning, we need to plan the whatever the whatever the work we done, we need to plan, and then we need to organize the required skills or something. Then we need to get the staff, how much staff we required for a particular task to be done. We need to recruit or select or some of the other thing. Human resources, HR work will be done in a staffing thing. Then directing to direct the people whom we recruited in a particular sort of thing. Then coordinating. So we need to coordinate with the workers to do the work. Then reporting means here the employees should report to the higher authorities according to their structure. Then the budgeting we get for the final project, whatever the budget we want. Whichever the budget, whatever the task we need to do, we need to select and these things. So after that, these four we organize the things, whatever the things we want, then we recruit the staff for the work need to be done. Then we will give the directions to the employees or workers to work in a particular stream or not. Then to control, to verify if it is going in the right way or not. Then if we will take, this is accepted by many other scientists, so we have given the structure for that. So it is a cyclic process. If one part gets affected, the other part will also affected simultaneously. If planning gets affected, then the organization stage will be affected, then the staffing stage will be affected, then the directing stage will be affected, then the controlling stage will be affected. If the directing stage got affected, simultaneously planning will be affected, organizing will be affected, staffing will be affected, and the controlling will be affected. This is a cyclic process. If one process gets affected, the other